So what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how you could go on to earning up to $100 every single day with this platform right here called Clickbank. And I'm actually going to show you how to set up each and everything that you can actually use to start earning such amount with this particular platform. And if you're new to my channel, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online. Supposing you like such content, make sure you scroll through my channel. There are a lot of content that can actually help you go on to boosting your income online. You could also make sure guys that you're subscribed to the channel and your notification bell is turned on all, so you do get alerted whenever I release some cool videos that could help you go on to boosting your income online. And with that being said, and no more delay of time, let's dive right into the video of today. But guys, you want to just simply come onto this platform right here, which is called Clickbank right now. If you don't have an account on Clickbank, you can create one just by clicking on start here right here. You want to just simply provide the details which will be asked for. Create your account right now, and once you go on to login into your account and head on to the affiliate marketing place, you should be brought to this particular page that looks something like this. But you want to just simply leave this page open, head on to this particular platform right now, which is called the udemy.com. As you can see with the domain right here called udemy.com right here, and there's a platform guys which you can actually get targeted traffic to your affiliate marketing products. And the platform actually runs as a $5 discount right now on Udemy, so you can just simply go on to registering now right here. The discount actually lasts for 4 months right now, or you do have actually 4 discounts left this month right here, so you could just simply sign up for free on this particular platform right here. And what the platform does is that it helps you get some cool traffic right there to your affiliate marketing product, and you're actually gonna get to pay these people once you do actually get clicks to that particular product link, which they are actually going to help you go on to promoting. So this is an amazing platform right here where you could just simply buy solo ads and get quality traffic right here. As you can see, get traffic, solo ad, and targeted solo ad traffic, option or opt-in, and even sales right here. You just need to get the ID, verified sellers, strict traffic filters, and a lot more cool stuff right here on this platform. And the thing about this is that guys, like I said, you get buyers, not just clicks right here. So you get to get people that are actually interested in buying that particular product, not just getting clicks with this particular platform. And you could just simply sign up to this platform for free by providing your basic details like your name, email address, or password, or you could just simply sign up with your Google account right here. So it is quite easy to go on to signing up to this platform. Once you do actually sign up guys, you should be brought to a home page that will look similar to this. And right now guys, you could then just simply go on to clicking on find sellers. So once you do that right now, you'll be brought to this page right here, and you'll be able to see a lot of sellers you can take advantage of right now to go on to getting some cool cash to that your product or any Clickbank product you want to promote. But I do prefer promoting or searching for sellers right here via the keyword section. So I'm just going to select by keyword right now, and you can see a lot of keywords you could utilize: make money online, affiliate marketing, health, Clickbank, weight loss, and lots more other keywords right here you just want to go on to utilizing. Supposing I want to just simply use spiritual right here, or the spiritual keyword, if you click on that, you'll be able to see buyers or sellers right here in this particular category that you can just simply go on to utilizing right here. Basically guys, I like selecting based on review right now. As you can see, this person actually has about 102 positive reviews for this particular buyer or this particular seller right now. So you just want to click on this particular seller right here. If you do select that right here, you can actually go on to buying the seller, the solo seller right now, and you do get to pay per clicks right here, which you do get to that particular affiliate marketing product which you're going to be promoting right now. As you can see right here, for 300 clicks right here, this is how much you are actually going to get to pay this particular person, and you do get to pay them about 40 cents per click right now. So you can actually go on to reducing the clicks right here based on your preference. And you can see if I reduce this to 125 clicks, you can actually see that you're going to pay them $53, which is quite fair right now. Maybe I'll just reduce this to 100, or let me say 50 clicks right here. And if I reduce this to 50 clicks right now, you can see they're going to go into paying $23 for this right now. So this is quite fair for you to actually go on to doing. Basically, you could check out the average traffic geography of this seller right now, and you can see where the seller gets most of his traffic from. He gets most of his traffic from top tier country like Canada. 9% come from Canada, 70% from the United States. That is quite good right now, as these are actually top buying or top tier countries right here you could go on to utilizing. You can see 5% comes from Australia. All these are actually top tier countries right now, so take advantage of this particular buyer to your benefits right now. So guys, once you're interested in using a buyer, you just need to come onto this section right here, and you can actually drive traffic to your direct affiliate link right here. But I don't recommend that. Instead guys, you want to just simply change this right here to add text, because text actually gets better conversions when promoting your affiliate marketing or product right here, rather than just simply using direct links only. So right here guys, you can actually come onto this page to add some cool text, which is why next you want to just simply head back to the Clickbank section, and you want to select that particular category which is selected on the udemy.com right here. And if I do select this right here, which is actually the spirituality niche, you can actually do see some products right here you could just simply go on to utilizing. Maybe I'm just going to select this product that had at least $45 percentage of commission right here, which you're actually going to go on to earning. So because if you do earn, maybe get a single purchase right now just from promoting this using this particular campaign which I'm about to start running right here, I'm actually going to be making profit directly, because the entire campaign actually goes on to paying $23 right now. I'm going to pay $23 for the entire campaign, and going to go on to getting 50 clicks. So from that 50 clicks, if I get any sale right now, I'm just going to go on to earning some cool profit right now. So this is a very cool and fair way to go on to utilizing this. What you want to do right here is to actually go onto the affiliate page right now. So if you do click on the affiliate page, it's going to take you to a page where you can see more details about this particular product right now. Basically what you need to do is to go into searching for email swipes, and if I actually come right here, click on email swipes right now, it's going to take me to the page where I can go on to seeing the email swipes of this particular product. As you can see right now, these are actually some email swipes right here for this product. This is the email 1 right now. If I do keep on scrolling through, you can see the email 2 and email 3 and so on and so forth. So basically what you want to do is to actually first of all select a particular email swipe you want to use. Supposing I want to use this one right here, I'm just going to copy the subject right now. So if I copy the subject right here, I'm just going to go on to copying this and head back to that particular platform and paste that in this subject section. Once that has actually been done, I'm going to head back to that affiliate support page right now, and if I do head on to that particular section, I'm going to just simply copy and highlight every entire body of this particular content. So once you do copy that right there, head back to that particular platform, and if you do head back to the platform, paste in that right now, and you guys, you'll be able to see some sections that you might be needed to go on to inserting maybe a link right now. So basically guys, I'm going to attach a link to every section that actually has 7-minute song. So I'm just going to come right here, and for this section right here guys, which says 7-minute song, I'm just going to highlight this section right now. I'm going to click on insert link, and you want to then head back to that Clickbank product right now. If you do head back to the Clickbank product, click on promote right here and go on to inserting your affiliate nickname to generate your hop link. I'm going to do that just now. So as you can see right here, this is actually my hop link. I'm going to copy the link right now and head back to that particular platform and paste that link right here in this section. So once I do paste in the link, I'm going to click on save right now, and that section will be highlighted, because anytime somebody do clicks on this, it's going to take them to that particular product to go on to purchasing. So you want to do that right now for any section that actually do have that particular keyword right there, to actually go on to getting some cool traffic right now. So I'm just going to also highlight this section right here, click on insert link, and do exactly the same thing right now and click on save. And once this has actually been done right now, the next thing which you actually want to do is to just simply click on checkout, and you could also go on to using your discount right here in this particular section. So as you can see right now guys, all you need to do is to make payments either with PayPal right now, or you could pay with PayPal right here, and actually go on to funding your account. Once you fund your account, which is to pay that $23 right there, you can actually go on to start getting targeted traffic to that your CPA or affiliate marketing offer and start making some cool cash with this. So this is an amazing strategy I like that you do take advantage of right now and start getting some cool and amazing results right here. And if the video was actually helpful, why not just simply smash the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.